Hello guys, and welcome back to my lecture. And today we'll be talking about members in general meeting. And as we said in the last lecture, when you are talking about members in general meeting, they are part of the mind and will of the company. But not just them, we are talking about the members and then the board of directors. But then we need to understand who will constitute the members in general meeting. And then we have to look at section 868 because that will lead us to what defines members in CAMA. Section 868 defines members to include the heir, executor, administrator, or other personal representative, as the case may be, of the member. The question here is who is a member? But the interpretation section doesn't define to us who a member is. It only tells us what a member should include. And then boils down the question, doesn't CAMA have any way of giving us an insight of who a member is? I need us to go to section 51, subsection 12 of CAMA. And what does it say? For the purpose of this section only, any reference to member shall include any person financially interested in the company within the context of section 2B. It should be noted, however, that this section talks about the mode of altering the business or object of a company. But I need you to understand that according to section 51, sub 12, it gives us an insight of who a member should be. Someone who is financially interested in the company. It then tells you that the people, the incorporators of the company, the people who first started the company, are part of the members of the company. Do you understand that? And then subsequently, people who invest into the company financially, people who buy shares in the company, those people then become the members of the company who can then sit in the general meeting to be part of the members in the general meeting. Do you understand? Do note, however, that this section should not be read out of section 51 because it says clearly in the section that it is only for the purpose of that section. But because there is no part of CAMA that gives us an insight on who a member is, I am going to use this as a way of scavenging for anything possible as to define to us what a member should be, using CAMA as our light. Do you understand what I'm saying? So therefore, a member should be someone who is financially interested in a company. It could be the incorporators, shareholders, or investors. Do you understand? So therefore, in our next class, I will be teaching you who the board of directors are.